When you purchase a boat from Premier Boating, you're not just buying a boat.
You're becoming part of our family.
Because from the day you take delivery, our commitment to you is just getting started.
We know the best part of boat ownership isn't the day that you buy it.
It's the weekends spent on the water with family.
The afternoons relaxing at the sandbar with friends. Teaching your kids to ski or surf for the very first time.
Enjoying sunset cruises, sharing laughs, and making memories that last a lifetime.
Those are the moments that make owning a boat so special.
That's why we stand behind every customer with Premier Cares.
It's our promise to be here for you long after you leave the showroom.
From priority service through our customer exclusive service department.
To seasonal maintenance and routine care.
Expert advice whenever you need it.
And a knowledgeable team that's always just a phone call away.
So you can spend less time worrying about your boat and more time enjoying it.
We're committed to making boat ownership as easy, enjoyable, and stress-free as possible.
For more than 30 years, our family-owned dealership has been built on relationships, not just transactions.
Many of our customers have trusted us with multiple boats over the years.
We've had the privilege of helping generations of families create memories on the water.
That's a responsibility we never take for granted. That's why we treat every customer like family.
At Premier Boating, our goal isn't simply to sell you a boat.
It's to be your boating partner for every season ahead.
Helping you spend less time worrying.
And more time making memories with the people who matter most.
That's the Premier Boating difference.
And that's Premier Cares.